Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a graphic signature in your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this fill and sign option. Click here and here you will find the sign yourself option. Click here. I will minus it and now here you will show this add signature. Click this plus icon. And here you will find this image option. Click here. Now open your signature from your folder and see this my signature now showing here, and finally select apply and see this. I'll put it here and also it's in the signature color and see this. In this way you can add your graphic signature on your PDF file and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.